Hello friends, welcome back to Way to Grammar. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Today we are going to learn about the contracted forms of verbs or how the contractions are made. So let's get started. First of all, we need to learn what are contractions. Contractions are shortened version of two words where a pronoun and an auxiliary verb are combined. When the combination is made, some letters are dropped and an apostrophe is introduced. See how it is formed. Okay. He is becomes his. Likewise, I am becomes I am. These are the contracted verb forms. Now, you may be thinking, why do we use the contracted verb forms? We use them because they make our speech and writing more fluid and natural sounding. They are especially common in spoken English and informal writing. Now, we will learn about the other contracted verb forms. Positive contraction. Have when contracted becomes apostrophe VE. So, I have becomes I've and you have in contracted form becomes you. Similarly, will when contracted becomes apostrophe double L. Following this rule, we will becomes well and they will becomes they'll. Okay. Likewise, would and had when contracted becomes apostrophe D. So, we write I had in contracted forms like I'd, and we would when contracted is written like we'd. Similarly, is and has when contracted becomes apostrophe S. Thus, she has become she's and he is become his. Am when contracted becomes apostrophe M. Thus, I am becomes I am, and are in short form becomes apostrophe RE. Thus, they are in shortened form becomes they are. I think you understand how contracted forms are made. Now we will learn the negative contracted forms. Negative contraction. Cannot becomes can't. Could not becomes couldn't, has not becomes hasn't, have not become haven't, had not becomes hadn't, and do not becomes don't, will not becomes won't, and should not becomes shouldn't. Actually, not is written like in apostrophe T. Here is an exercise as your homework. You read them out and you work them out on your own, and if you cannot do it, you will find the answers in the description of this video, and link to download the PDF of the whole class is also available in the video description. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video for further grammar tips. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and improving. Bye bye.